Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make 3 ingredients mango ice cream. Yes, mango ice cream. Right now in Thailand is mango seasons and it's almost to phase away, you know, like when they change the season, and now it had left that red mango that ready to be eaten right away. So the market sell quick, and my mom went to the market and found the bag of mangoes only 10 baht. So that was like 8 mango per bag. It's only 10 baht. My mom bought 2, so she already eat 1 bag. So I asked her if I can keep 1 bag to make ice cream. She said yes, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's go. And for the ingredient, you need red mango. I recommend to let your mango outside until the skin is wrinkled like this. It will get mango more sweet. Slice them into small pieces and freeze them overnight. And you need condensed milk, whole milk. For quantity of the ingredient, please check under the description. Alright, so now all you need is to put everything in the blender. I don't have the big blender, I have small blender, so here you go. Get ice mango, frozen mango in, and okay, because I don't have the big blender, that's why I have to, you know, like just blend a little bit each. But if you have big blender, can just mix everything together in one blender. So I don't have, so I have to do this and then blend them. Add more. Oh, it smells so nice. You will not believe. More milk. More condensed milk.
그날의 나는 내게 너무 낯설었겠지. 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무 잘못한 것 같아. 너와 나의 다른 생각이.
Look at that. I can actually eat it right now. Oh, there's still some haven't blended good enough. Basically, you can eat it right now. It's like smoothie right now. Now it's time for check if you blend all of them good enough. So I got another lump here. I will blend them again for the second time. Make sure it's all smooth.
말은 해줘야 하는데 내 마음은 변하지 않았다고. 모든 게 오해야. 내 얘기를 들어주길 바래. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지. 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아.
Color of ice cream. It looks amazing. I'll shake them. Oh, I have no doubt this is gonna be the best ice cream ever. Alright, I'm gonna pour this into the box. And I'm gonna freeze them overnight. You can freeze them like 6 hours. I'm gonna freeze them overnight, and we're gonna see you tomorrow. Alright, so we got our mango here. Let's see how it's turned out. Oh my god, this is the next day, and let's see, my refrigerator quite very cold, so we're gonna see if we can cut it. I don't have the ice cream scoop as always, but let's see. Oh, it's so sandy. No, like icy. We're gonna try together. But it looks so nice. See? Oh my god, can't wait to taste this. Alright, I'm gonna go scoop the ice cream and we'll see you soon. Alright, it's time to taste ice cream. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this, but I'm topping with the condensed milk as always. I'm condensed milk lover. Okay, we're gonna try. Smell like a mango. Smell exactly like mango. We're gonna try. One of these days I have to start buying the ice cream scoop. Let's try. Ooh, but when I scoop them, I thought it's gonna be like icy, like fruit ice cream. But then when it melts a little bit, it gives the texture so creamy. Wow, this will go well. This will go well with sticky rice. Oh my god. Oh mom. I'm sorry. Wow, it's so refreshed, and it actually tastes amazing. I think, oh my god, boy, you need to try this. Wow. If you have sticky rice, have it with sticky rice. It's so refreshing. And I recommend to use a very red mango. Let the mango outside until you get the skin to get wrinkle. Wow, it's so refreshing. I want to eat them all like this. Wow. It's such a shame that I don't have the sticky rice. This will go amazing with this. It's sweet, and then it's not as creamy as other. It's sweet. It's a little bit creamy from the condensed milk and the milk, and the smell of the mango is not phased away, and it's not like fake smell that when you buy the mango ice cream, you got that fake smell. It's not really smell of mango, but this one, because we use the fresh mango, we use only 3 ingredients, and I still can tell what type of mango I used. Like this is nam dok mai mango, and it still smell the same, taste the same, but a little bit better because we use condensed milk. As you can see, I'm sweating right now because Thailand is so hot. Having when it's hot, instead of having mango and sticky rice, you have mango ice cream and sticky rice. Oh, it's amazing. You can topping with coconut sauce. Oh, I mean, when you guys wanna try some, I'm being rude not sharing with you. Wow. And it's not melt as fast as coconut ice cream last time that I make. Adam called me. Hi baby.
What you doing?
I'm recording the mango and sticky rice. You wanna say hi?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, I'll call you later.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay, bye bye baby. Okay, that's Adam. So if you was asking how's Adam doing, why he's not on my video, because he's in Australia. Yeah, we call each other. I call him twice a day, he call me. That's our relationship for now. Okay, so that is it for mango ice cream. How easy is that? It's very easy, so I hope you guys try them out. If you want me to do more of these videos, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.